Most SQL developers can write a basic select statement, but when asked to pivot monthly revenue into quarterly columns, many freeze. This transformation is essential for financial reporting, yet it stumps candidates at all levels. The first key is mapping months to quarters. January through March become Q1, April through June become Q2, and so on. You can use the quarter function to extract this directly, or calculate it with seal of month divided by 3. Some databases offer DATEPART with quarter as the unit. All three approaches give you the same result, a quarter number from 1 to 4. The case expression approach uses conditional logic to create separate columns. For each quarter, you write a case when statement that checks if the quarter equals the target value, then returns the revenue, otherwise null. Wrap each case expression in a sum aggregate to collapse multiple rows into one value. This method works across all SQL databases and gives you complete control over the output structure. The pivot operator provides a cleaner syntax in databases like SQL Server and Oracle. You specify the aggregate function, the column to pivot, and the values to become column headers. Pivot automatically transposes rows into columns, turning your 4-quarter values into 4 separate columns labeled Q1 through Q4. The result is identical to the case approach but requires less code. Both methods require a group by clause on your key dimension, typically year or product ID. This ensures you get one row per entity. The aggregate function, whether sum or max, collapses the pivoted data into single values. For fixed calendar years, hard-coding Q1 through Q4 works perfectly. Dynamic pivots are possible, but add complexity that's rarely needed for quarterly reports. Master both the case with some pattern and the pivot operator to transform monthly revenue into quarterly columns. Practice this pattern and you'll ace the question. Keep learning, keep building. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.